The application is structured as a Jupyter Notebook, with distinct cells housing general functions, each accompanied by descriptions of their purpose and functionality. In the initialization cell, users have the flexibility to define parameters such as chunk size, specify whether column type detection is required, set a sample size for column type detection, and indicate whether list type rectification is needed. The main cell serves as the core code, orchestrating the sequential execution of all functions to accomplish the overall task of uploading data to a PostgreSQL database with structured tables. During the process, users may encounter errors, such as inappropriate data types in a column, for example, a runtime minutes column containing string values. The application is designed to handle many common issues, but if errors persist, users can refer to the README file for guidance. To complete the process, users can run the final source schema upload cell. Alternatively, they can use the Admin app or another preferred utility to interact with the database. Notably, Admin 4 includes an editor for visualizing the database structure. Queries can be executed directly from the corresponding cell in the Jupyter Notebook, from the Admin tool, or even from the PostgreSQL terminal. Additionally, Admin supports the creation of basic graphs for data analysis.